Black Hearts Knuckles on the Camry. Let's go.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude. Get in, we're going drifting. Crazy on my clutch, I gotta bet it in. You're an itchy bar boilie.
Yeah, cheers, AAAAAAA. Doing the dash out for evaporatey. Check it out. Indoor crust. Yep. So, we've got a thing there. Under here, I've got the factory screw, and I've also got a nut and bolt up here. So he's nice and secure. Got the 3 clips in here, clip there. And on this side, I couldn't get the factory screw, but we've got nut and bolt up here. Sturdy as fuck. A little bit more trimming, it'll be right. Damn, fog lights even fit. They need to clean up, but yeah, cheers, AAAAAA. Let's put these bad boys on the vehicle. Look at that. Black Hearts Knuckles on the Camry. Let's go. Step 1. Jack off your car. That'll do it. Righto blokies. Step 1. Fucking tie rod removal. Let's go. There you go, you can just fucking hang that in the breeze. Still stuck. That'll do him. Oh yeah, look at that. That's that shit. Get the fucking... Alright, I'm just gonna throw the other side on real quick. Boom. We'll do some coilover slamming, camber adjustment, eyeball wheel lining. She's on. Maximum camber. Yeah, boy. Will I get enough out of these tie rods? Just gonna wind this dog out. We'll just leave it at a safe amount of threads. Back the camber off. This is how you do it, boys. Eyeball. Wheel alignment? Who needs it? Max camber. Alright, we've slammed the coilovers, maxed them out. We've pumped up the springs so they're going to be hard. So hopefully the wheel doesn't rape the guard. But we'll see.
film me. Whoa.
Oi. What's this?
Slam.
Look at the angle on it, boy. Ooh! Yeah, that's crazy, dude. I could drink the fuck out of this car.
The wheel is just placeholder. I need to get the purple stitched gnarly deep corn.
RB26s are shit.
Can I have a 1J, please? A wrong, A. That's what its number plate means, right?
1v1 chaser versus driveway.
Get in, we're doing street crime.
Trying to commit some crime.
And the thing's probably too much anyway.
Jeez,
Come on, yep.
what the fuck is happening?
Is that ADR approved, that helmet? Yes. Oh, hello there.
Get in, we're going drifting.
I'm gonna do some burnouts.
Oh, yeah.
Remember.
Oh, hit marker. Oh.
It's not that bad.
I mean, we did it.
Here we go, this bump here.
Yum. It should work.
That's a defective vehicle!
This road isn't wet and my clutch isn't
Nah, don't do
bedded
it.
in.
Yeah.
Not bedded. I would love to. Like,
It's actually bad.
Oh, Jesus.
Roof to be wrong. I'm not gonna drive crazy on my clutch. I gotta bed it in also.
the turning circle with the black arts, bro.
Is this gonna weld the diff? Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's one way to do
I
it.
was like, what? Fucking smell that.
Oh, yum.
Hey yo, we got that pizza. Now we're gonna give me a
Hey,
pizza.
busy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks. Big line of punks just standing there to get their photos.
We went to the one.
Here in Itchy Bar, boilie.
Same time we were there, they only doing open.
Yeah, the boilies.
I'm going there tomorrow.
He's going there.
Going to Kieran tomorrow.
Oh, he's going to Kieran.
Yep.
Nah. Look, we lost our fog light. On the drifting and the drive, we lost the fog light. Fuck it. Bruh, it's gone. Oh, new fog light. What do you reckon of that? Whoa!
What are you doing if you don't have a fucking A86U? Where's the 86U? It's just finger tight, man. The whole mic is.
Is that finger tight?
Yeah, mate.
Nah, that's normal.
You gotta cut these off so you can do fast.
Yeah, and then put him in the.
Yeah. Check this bad boy out. Marketplace bargain. Woohoo! Fuck all Russ in my boot, boy. So we've gone overboard. We're gonna relocate the battery to the boot. Need to run a cable to him. There he is. New cable. Right, oh lads. Do that. Cut that. Put the lug on him. Lugs. Crimper. Just insulated the fucking shit out of him. Little red cap on the bolt end. We're gonna run this guy under here. And now we're here. Made this little battery skeleton cage for the plastic thingy. Here's the solution to tying the sub down. My genius simply knows no bounds. Now this is just so fucking smart. Check it out. Get the and you get the. Damn. Yeah, nice. Guy's power. Yeah, he's got power, right? Hey. Let's put that back in and fuck around and find out. So we're putting some new rear speakers in because these ones are shit. New one, old one, in the bin, in the car. Gave him a nice vacuum. Looking pretty snazzy. Yeah, that wheel is fucked.